Welcome to the Star Author podcast where young authors become shining stars. Today we are diving into history with a thrilling twist. Our guest is Shanmukh, a class 8 student and the brilliant mind behind Prince of Petroids, an epic tale that uncovers the adventurous and daring journey of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So, buckle
Yes.
up because we are about to explore the story of a hero with a young genius who brought it to life. So, Shanmugh, I welcome you to this show. And
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, and my first question for you is just tell me something about yourself.
So
Anything.
I'm basically creative and calm.
Okay, you are creative and calm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and I read, in your book, and you have described about, Netaji Subhash Chandra. So, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
had to escape like Netaji, would you rather sneak out disguised as a pizza delivery guy or a magician?
So I would disguise myself as a pizza delivery guy because who suspects someone dealing happiness light? That's what.
Okay, cool. And what do you think, Netaji would post on Instagram during his submarine adventure, lost at sea or travel goals? क्या post करेंगे?
So it's obviously travel goes because Netaji traveled a lot to different
Yeah.
countries doing his freedom struggle, right? That's why
Hmm.
obviously travel goes.
Okay, cool. And if Netaji had a playlist for his journey, what would be the top three songs according to you?
So according to me, it's first song is like Eyes of a Tiger by Survivor, and the
Okay.
second one is Don't Stop Believing by Journey, and We Will Rock You by Queen.
Wow, that's interesting. I mean, these are very nice, audio tracks I have heard, and I mean, this is really inspiring also. And
Yes,
uh, and imagine you are Netaji and you are stuck in submarine with a hungry crew. What's your strategy to keep everyone calm?
so my strategy is like uh, keep spirits high with motivational speeches and organize creative storytelling contests and to distract from hunger while brainstorming survival strategies.
Okay, that's great.
Uh,
And if you could rename the months of the year, what would you call them?
so like all the months or what?
Sorry?
All the months like
For
from January.
any specific months, like if you just want to mention, like January to this, February to this, any two or three, or whatever you feel like.
So like all the months like from January to December.
Yeah, or you can pick any 2 months also, 3 months also. That's your wish.
So I'll continue with all the months. Okay.
Okay.
So first is January. So it's chill. So
Okay.
for second it's bright for February, and March is bloom, and April it's rain. For May it's sunny, and June it's glow. So for July it's spark, and August I would say it's like shine. So September it would be breeze. October it would be fall, like I think so fall. So November I think so crisp. Okay, so December is like snow. December
Okay.
Christmas time, right?
Wow. What a creative names you have given. I mean, this is so cool. And what's one superpower you would like to have during boring history lessons?
So like the superpowers, right? I would my superpowers would be like I can listen these history lessons so that I can understand the history lessons. So
Okay.
I would really like to have it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And imagine your life as a movie title. What would it be called?
So my life, right? I would name it as a. Uh, so I could name it as a chill guy at the summer.
Okay. Chill guy at the
Okay.
sun. Wow. Okay, cool. Okay, that's great. So, what do you like, history or mystery?
So I would basically go for mystery. So
Okay,
it's like mysterious things, like it's really mysterious mind I have, like.
yeah, okay. And you want to go on a secret mission or open mission?
So secret mission, like, I would choose for secret mission.
Okay. And you like Netaji or Gandhiji?
So it's obviously Netaji. Yeah,
You have written a book on him.
yeah, that's why.
Okay. You like books or movies?
So I would basically go for books, but for the entertainment part, I would go for movies.
Okay. And what do you like in your story or in a movie? You like hero or a villain?
So I would basically go for both. That's why I like really the both characters. He's a villain. He wants to dominate, and the hero who wants to save. We have to do it in the both, right? So I choose for both.
Okay. You like pizza or pasta?
A pizza for sure.
Okay. You like jungle
Uh,
or desert?
so it's jungle, obviously. Who wants to
Jungle.
be in a desert, right?
And desert, I mean, desert also doesn't have water, but I think in
Yeah,
jungle also there are some wild animals, so that's also not, I mean,
yeah,
that's equally dangerous place.
yeah.
Okay. And you like writing or reading?
I like writing. I
Okay.
don't like reading a lot. I like to write.
Okay. That's why you were opting for some audio for your history lessons.
Yeah.
Okay. You like day or night?
So I would go for day.
Okay. So you're a morning
Day. That's
person.
a day. Yeah.
Okay. You like ice cream or custard?
So everyone goes for ice cream. So ice cream.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's time to wrap up the session, and we have been on an incredible journey today with Shanmugh, the young author who gave us a fresh perspective on one of our India's greatest freedom fighters. And thank you, Shanmugh, for inspiring us with your words and your wit. And to all our viewers, do grab a copy of his book, and the book is very interesting. And the link of the book is given in the description box below. Until then, stay curious and keep turning the pages of your imagination. Thank you, everyone.
Uh,
Thank you, Shanmugh.
Thank you. So I would thank Bukaluza for giving this opportunity to me. Oh, it's basically means a lot to me. Like I wanted to release a book. I wrote the book, and this got Bukaluza.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much for. Thank you
Thank
so much for.
Thank you,
Okay.
and wish you very good luck for your future endeavors. And we pray that you come up with so many more interesting titles and books and stories. And we really want to
Yeah.
feature you on our website. And thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.